The Cosmotron stands as one of the most remarkable custom automotive creations to emerge from the United Kingdom, born from Leicester-based mechanic Paul Bacon's imagination. This extraordinary bubble car represents the fulfillment of a childhood dream, the futuristic vehicles promised for the year 2000. Paul Bacon's journey began with disappointment. As a child in the 1960s, he was told that cars would look dramatically different by 2000, resembling space-age designs of that era. When the millennium arrived without these promised vehicles, Bacon created his own version of the future. Drawing inspiration from Ed Roth's Beatnik Bandit and the bubble-top cars movement, he embarked on an 18-month transformation project in his garden shed. The foundation is a 1998 BMW Z3 chassis, stripped of all original body panels. Bacon retained only the rolling chassis, floor pan, and mechanical components, including the 2.8-liter inline-six engine producing 192 horsepower. The new body was crafted using polystyrene and expanding foam, reinforced with fiberglass and steel beams. The car's most distinctive feature is its clear Perspex dome, serving as both windshield and roof. This transparent canopy sits on a steel ring and operates via hydraulic hinges controlled by remote. The dome initially posed challenges in obtaining road-legal certification, as authorities deemed it potentially unsafe. Bacon's resourcefulness shines through his creative use of household items. The exposed engine features salt and pepper shakers from John Lewis, while the grills incorporate moisturizing caps and bottle tops. The steering wheel's chrome trim originates from a shower waste pipe, with the center hub crafted from a firework rocket top. The front moon tank is actually a boiler expansion tank, and Bacon hand-built a custom radio for the dashboard. The interior showcases exceptional craftsmanship, with white leather upholstery, hand-stitched by Bacon's wife, Kirsty. Every element reflects meticulous attention to detail in this two-seat configuration. Despite its otherworldly appearance, the Cosmotron is fully road-legal, taxed, and MOT certified. The car theoretically reaches 140 miles per hour, though reviews note that the saucer-shaped tires create handling like driving on ice, reinforcing the vehicle's philosophy of form over function. After completing the project and owning the car for 2 years, Bacon sold the Cosmotron to car enthusiast Martin Smith, who committed to keeping it in the United Kingdom. The vehicle now serves as a testament to British ingenuity and the power of following unconventional dreams, a unique fusion of recycled materials, futuristic design, and traditional automotive engineering that continues to turn heads wherever it appears.